Hello everyone, I'm Robbe from Robbedoes Productions, and today I'm going to make a quick how-to tutorial on how you can use your computer as a Bluetooth speaker. Let's get into it. So the reason why you may want to use your Windows computer as a Bluetooth speaker is because probably you have maybe a desktop or a laptop in your living room or in your room with some speakers connected to it, but it's most of the time is easier to use like your YouTube Music subscription on your phone or your Spotify or cast the audio from your phone through the speakers, and you don't need to use the web browser or something for that. So that's most of the time very convenient. Also, when you have a living room, there are people over, you're sitting at the table, you can control your music or whatever is playing on the phone or on your mobile device. So what you need for that is a Windows computer. If it is a laptop or a desktop, that does not matter. With Bluetooth, best Bluetooth 4.0 or higher, but most modern computers with Bluetooth have a good enough Bluetooth card in it, and a mobile device that has Bluetooth and can play music over Bluetooth. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to the Microsoft Store. In the Microsoft Store, we're gonna type in the search box Bluetooth, and then there comes up an app that calls Bluetooth Audio Receiver. The Bluetooth audio receiver app we are going to install on our device. So then we're going to press the install button, wait a bit. And while we're waiting on that, we can go to the settings of our device. So the connecting a Bluetooth device, this will work with an Android device, an iOS device, or actually every device that supports Bluetooth audio streaming. My phone is normally already connected to my laptop, as you can see, my OnePlus. So now I will connect my iPad to my computer. On my iPad, I go to the system settings and I go over to Bluetooth. Here in Bluetooth, I can press the name of my laptop. Here it says now device discoverable as. I will get a notification that a new device is trying to connect, and now I will allow this device to connect to my computer. So now that the devices are both connected to my laptop, we can go and see if the application is installed. As you can see, my application is installed in the meantime. When you open the application here, you can choose what Bluetooth device you want to use, because in my case they are two connected. I will first say my iPad, and then you can say open connection, and this means that it is going to allow the device to stream Bluetooth media to your laptop or computer. Normally, if you do this, you would have some external speakers, because it isn't that big of an upgrade to use your laptop speakers over the speakers in your tablet or something. But when you have your speakers in your living room connected, this might or will be an upgrade. So now I pressed the device that I want to connect and open the connection. Now the connection is established. You can also see in my volume control here, I have a Bluetooth speaker now as output and not my integrated speakers. I will now open a video of mine. This is my review, a previous video of my review about this laptop, and you can hear that the audio is coming out of my laptop. Now I will show you to do the same with another device. So when you're done, you can say close the connection, and then you can choose another device and open the connection on this device. Now there it shows up the icon that there is a Bluetooth speaker connected. I will go and open the same YouTube video. And the audio, as you can see, is also coming out of my laptop. So yeah, here you go. This is how you can stream or cast audio from your mobile device to your Windows computer, and on this way use your speakers or good sound setup that you have connected to your computer, and walk around in a room. So that's a pretty handy feature, and it should be possible on every Windows device that has Bluetooth. How you know you have Bluetooth? If you go to settings, devices, and you have a toggle to turn Bluetooth on or off. If you do not have that option, then yeah, you do not have Bluetooth. Okay, so thanks for watching. I hope this video was useful and you learned something. Please press the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment down below of what you think of this video, and maybe some other things where you want to see me make a video on in the future. So let me know, and goodbye.